Hello, we are studying here structural steel sections, in which we have already seen some of the types of structural steel sections and their details, uses, properties. In last video we have started a rolled steel T sections. Now in this rolled steel T sections are again divided or they are available in different types, or we can say according to its size and weight. They are available in these different types. Indian standard normal T. See, Indian standard normal T section, that is ISENT. As I have already told you that these short forms are very important. As exam point of view, these short forms were asked many times, and the question was to write the long forms of these short forms like ISSQ, ISF, as we these previous we have studied. Likewise, these are the some important short forms and their long forms here. Indian standard is always there. Indian standard normal T, Indian standard heavy T, ISHT, HT, heavy T, short T. Indian standard is always there. IS, Indian standard, short T, junior T. You have to remember the next half part, that is normal T, heavy T, short T, junior T, ISNT, ISHT, ISST, ISJT. And in the diagram, this one is again shown as an example of T section, in which vertical member is web and horizontal member of the T is called as flange, and their thickness is shown. Web thickness is denoted by TF generally. Web thickness is TW, and flange thickness is denoted by TF. And size of the T is mentioned by its horizontal and vertical length. Vertical means overall length or height of the T, and horizontal length of the T. Then next structural steel section is rolled steel channel section. Now the rolled steel channel section is again consists of a web and two equal flanges. You can see here in the diagram there are two equal flanges. Now always remember that the horizontal part is flange, and vertical part of the T or channel is always web. Now in case of channel, you can clearly see here there are two flanges, upper one and here lower one at bottom. Flange having thickness of 11.6 mm thickness of flange, and another part is web. See in the diagram, another part is web, which is vertical, and its overall height is 300 mm, and thickness of the web is 6.7 mm, and in case of flange its length is 100 mm and its thickness is 11.6 mm. These are the details about this channel section. It's there are two parts. One is flange. There will be two flanges for any channel section, and there is only one web section. These channel sections were designated by height of web and width of flange. These channel sections mentions it web height and its flange thickness in its standard sizes. These are available in sizes varying from 100 mm into 45 mm to 400 mm into 100 mm. Then what is meant by this 100 mm into 45 mm? This 100 mm means the overall height of the channel section, that is its web length, or you can say web height. The total web height is 100 mm, and this 45 means the length of flange. Length of each flange is 45, and that's why it is denoted by single number, that is 100 mm is flange and 45 mm is 100 mm is web and 45 mm is flange. That means both flange are having length of 45 mm, and the sizes are available up to 400 mm into 100 mm. That means maximum height or maximum size of web in case of channel section is 400 mm, and maximum size of flange in case of channel section is 100 mm, and these 100 into 45 mm, these are minimum sizes. And these channel sections are widely used for beams and columns. In case of structural steel sections, or in case of while constructing the civil engineering structural members like beams, columns, these channel sections are very much used. Basically, to made a large number of built-up sections, these channel sections are very much useful. Then rolled steel channel sections. These are again like T sections. These are the standard forms, or in these standard forms these channel sections are available. First, Indian Standard Junior Channel, Indian Standard Light Channel, Indian Standard Medium Channels, ISJC, ISLC, ISMC. J is always junior, L light, medium, M, and if in case there is H, that is heavy. and these are the some standard forms or standard shapes which are available in case of channel sections. That is, channel sections are available in these types, and these types are classified according to their by considering their size, shape, and per unit weight of the structural steel section, that is in this channel section. And the channel sections are available in these Indian standard forms. Okay, so these are two types of standard sections we have seen here. Rolled steel T section, its types, different types are different, and they are available in these different standard forms or types. Then roll steel channel sections, these are very important sections as compared to the previous some structural steel sections, because the T section, rolled steel channel section, and upcoming will be I section. These are very important structural steel sections because they are widely used while making civil engineering structural steel uh, structural steel buildings, or any type of uh, steel structures. These are very much important because they are again widely used to made built up sections. And that part we will see in upcoming videos. So thank you.